Are you sick of the same old boring workouts that feel like a chore? Come and try something different. Grab a free week of unlimited classes and feel the difference for yourself. No pressure, no intimidating gym vibes, just music, movement, and a serious amount of fun. Guaranteed. Release your inner diva, dance like nobody's watching, and strut your stuff. Because quite honestly, a workout should make you feel alive, energised, vitalised, and on top of your game. And not bored out of your mind, counting reps, looking at the door. And that is why Maxicise works. The music is so good, you won't even know you're exercising. And that is where the magic happens. Because if you're not having fun, you won't come back for more. And you'll walk away and it'll be yet another exercise regime that's been kicked to the curb because you're bored. I know what I'm talking about. I've been there before, too many times. And on top of that, I have got a clever little combination of 3 lifestyle choices. And when they're put together, they are a weight loss accelerator. And you'll have a support network in your corner, cheering you on, giving you motivation, making sure you succeed. Click on the link and we can get cracking straight away. Love you lots.